Now that you have started a blog, written few posts, and you think now your blog is ready to get AdSense and you're gonna apply for it. Before that, just wait. Hello all. Today let's hear a few tricks to get AdSense approval this 2021 for your blog. And if you are new to this and if you are going to start a blog this year, then make sure you heard a few tips mentioned by me in my previous video. If not, I will attach it in my description just to have an understanding whatever you must know to start a blog. Have a glance over it to ensure you abide by those points. So you have started a blog. The first thing you should have in mind is whether you have a domain for you. Yes, already I have mentioned it about this in my previous video. But in fact, without domain, many are getting the approval of AdSense. But if you have a domain, it will be highly professional, and it's also that those with domain easily get it as app. So better, if you are okay to invest in that, invest and get a domain for yourself. You can get .in and .com, any websites. If you are getting .in, the amount spent for it is less, whereas if you are getting .com, the amount is a bit high than that. Both are affordable only, you can get them. So please get at least a domain, any domain for your blog. So the first thing is over. You have thought about the URL and you have decided something, a domain for your URL. And the next one you have to think about is the about section of your blog. Your blog is about what? So give a about section for your blog. Give a cut and clear about section. So give a neat description about, not about you, more than about you. It should be about your blog, the content of your blog. And then also there include something about you too. There is a separate section about you for about you, or the profile to describe about you. So in about us section, mostly concentrate about the content of your blog. The third main thing is make sure you form a privacy section, terms and condition, disclaimer, then include them all in the headers. Then what else you have to include is contact us form, then contact us. So include your Facebook, Pinterest, what else, Instagram. If you have a YouTube account, YouTube, so attach them also in contact section, and your mail ID. So these are the main stuffs. Don't forget to include them. Without that, a blog is not of a full form. It would be like a half done art. So make sure to include these stuffs. Because of this, many don't get it, don't get AdSense, because there is not a outlook for your blog without this. And also there is some technical needs for disclaimer and privacy policies and terms and conditions. So don't forget to include them along with contact us and contact forms. Then form labels and start writing blogs. So based on your niche, start writing blogs. Under each labels, there should be at least 4 or 5 labels for your blog based on your niche. And under each label, there should be at least 2 or 3 posts, or at least 4 posts under each label. So make sure you make them. And then sitemap your contents and also the SEO. Make sure you form all the SEO settings exactly. You never neglect or forget any of the setting, and make sure you did all the SEO settings for your blog. And about the SEO settings, it's a very vast topic. Instead of going into it, deep diving into it in this video, if you want, please comment in the comment section. I will make a separate video for you about the SEO settings for your blog before applying for AdSense. And one more thing, I told at least have 50 posts. It's not that you will get AdSense only if you have 50 posts. Some people get AdSense even with 10 posts. So it's about the content. So, and along with these SEO settings and other stuffs which I mentioned in this video, if everything is proper, even with 10 posts you will get AdSense, at least for a precaution sake or something. Mostly at least have 50 posts. Only a few get with 10 posts and 4 posts or something. So better have 50 posts, at least 50 posts. And if suppose all the stuffs you have done, all the stuffs I have mentioned in this video, and you have a best SEO setting for your blog, and also you have written pakka, neat and perfect 10 posts, then try applying. And if not, sometimes they may reject, saying you have very minimum posts. If they reject because of that reason, then write some more posts like 50 posts or something, and then apply. At least have 30 to 50 posts. So that's it. So everything is ready, and you think you have done all these sections for your blog and your blog is ready, then why wait? Apply for AdSense and get your approval, and comment your queries and doubts, and to subscribe and encourage me, and comment your experience and thoughts about my videos. And you can also give me tips if you think I have to improve in something. Yes, you're free to comment and free to give me some feedbacks, and if there are positive feedbacks, I surely give it. And that's it. Let me see you with another nice video. Bye bye.